It's March 1st, 2017, about 1 p.m. I'm in the middle of nowhere, Lava Beds National Monument. I found a tiny entrance to a cave. It's covered in snow, and I don't know if I'm going to climb down there in the snow right now. I'm not exactly dressed for snow skiing. But anyway, apparently it's a nice cave because it's actually got a label on it. So check this out. It says Velcro Alley. Oops, let me pan down here. Velcro Alley, label EC265. Velcro Alley, label EC265. So let me do a quick, lap, just to take a look here, see what's over here. What's interesting, this is near another cave, so far it doesn't look too bad. I am almost tempted to just climb in and see what I find. Velcro Alley. Oh wow. You know what? All right, I'm in. Screw this. As long as I'm here. If I can do it without affecting the, oops. Hang on, my camera's being dumb. Okay, so anyway, there's icicles. Shoot, I don't know if I'll be able to explore this cave without messing up the icicles. I don't want to do that, although I kind of want to know where I am too. All right, I'm going to be gentle, and I'm going to try to not touch anything. But these ice columns, huge. Wow, this is really cool. I'm going to do my best to not touch any of the formations. I'll have to zigzag around very carefully. On the way back out, you'll be able to see if I made any difference. Okay, so there's the way I came in. Notice I had to go through some snow. Here's ice formations. Wow. Well, I'm glad I came this way, even though I don't really even know where the heck I am. Huh. The ice is melting anyway. But yeah, I don't know how long it'll last. I don't think this is an ice cave. Never heard of this cave before. I just sort of found it when I was looking for something else. Anyway. Oops. That noise you heard, don't worry, that's not an ice formation. It was a stick on the floor. A little bit of cave popcorn. Lots of icicles. Wow. Oh, I forgot what these are called. It's like cave bacon, but made of ice. That's really cool. See if I can get closer without breaking anything. Cool. Well, you know, even in the summer with no ice here, hopefully there's no ice, I bet this would be a kind of cool little cave. It's a good location too. Surprised I didn't find it sooner. But anyway, yeah. Wonder why they call it Velcro Cave. Maybe it's the texture of the floor. Got an interesting floor here. See if I can look down here. There's like a, oh no, that's, well anyway. Ice, sheet of ice. Clear ice, wow. Let's see if I can get in closer. There's ice stalagmites on the floor. I don't want to trample those. I gotta really watch where I'm going here. Usually a good strategy. Okay, so let me see here. Huh. Interesting. Little ice column there. Cool. I could totally get out that way too. Oh wow. Is there more cave over there? Probably not. Oh whoa. There's metal here. This is like historical stuff. I think the rule is anything over 50 years old, leave it alone. Interesting. Looks like some sort of can. I don't know if this was for moonshining or... Whoa. Oh, whoa. I know where that is. Holy cow. Dude, that's in a... there's a huge cave over there. Oh, no, wait. That's this cave. Whoa, there's no way over there. It's too small. Wow, look at that floor. I bet you could, if you're desperate, you could crawl through there. I'm not... yeah, no thanks. So let me pan down, show you this ice. There's like a solid sheet of ice here. It's probably an inch thick down there. And there's a decent ice formation there. It starts out as one icicle, spreads out into like 4 icicles. Crazy. Okay, I'm gonna go back the way I came, just because I think it's bigger and so on. So far I haven't knocked over any icicles in here. It's a bit of a tight squeeze, so I hope I don't, you know, damage anything. But look at it this way, if I do, it'll go back next year. Somehow I have a feeling that there aren't going to be a lot of people exploring this cave this year. Oh boy. Wow. It's a bit steep up here. Alright, so let's see if I can do this. Gotta go around this little stalagmite. Oops. Go over here. I'm gonna turn off my flashlight now. Oh boy. Wow. Okay, well, see how easy that was? Wow. This is insanity. Yeah, during the summer, I wouldn't mind this so much. But I have a feeling it doesn't have a lot of ice in the summer. So here I am in the middle of winter, crawling through the snow to explore a hole in the ground. Oops, my gimbal. For some reason my gimbal is being picky. Okay, I just want to get the name here. And the verdict is Velcro Alley. I wonder if that X means, is that a Velcro X Alley or what? Label C265. C265. Now, let me real quick go over here. I'll show you that other entrance. So I was underneath here. Go over here. Excuse me, I got a runny nose. And if I came out the other entrance, I bet it would have been right here. So much snow. If there was a label, I wouldn't even see it. Wow. Huh. Yeah. Yeah. There we are. So there's the other entrance to Velcro Cave, or whatever, Velcro Alley Cave.